Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. Just making sure all our streams are working, and right now it looks like not all our streams are working. Um, in a second I will be with you again. So let's see. Oh, that's the mistake. Very good. So everything should be fine here. Let's see. Yeah, everything is great and fine. So I'm alive and welcome again. So, from some reason, my streams are not that stable in the not so long ago. The problem started not so long ago. I don't know why, but I will try to maximize the stream. And also, I'm not working that much on the scenery, but I'm trying to work every day, but not to burn myself out. The progress is going a little bit slower, but it's going. And we have a very big milestones, as you see on the Discord. Like I start building the airport inside the simulator, like putting all the parts together. But I have some problem with the SDK, so I'm waiting for a little help from some friends that have some uh, knowledge, much more knowledge than I have on scenery building. So I'm waiting for him to help me with that structural problem that I have with the SDK because not everything I want to get, I'm managing to make it work. So instead of breaking my head, it's better to run something else and someone will help me with that problem. So, where I'm standing today, because I haven't finished the structural folder of the scenery, I won't be working on the simulator today. I will work on more objects to the scenery. So let's start with the towers. Well, I'm gonna tell you, I already started with it yesterday, but it was only proof of concept. Like I take that one, that tower, and I don't need it to be that modeled and, you know, highly detailed. I just need a flat texture, and instead of making a texture myself and breaking my head over it, I ask my best friend, ChatGPT, to create a texture for this building. And here you can see, like he managed to do it pretty good. I didn't went with that so far, but there's some corrections I need to do now. So we're gonna tell him that he can correct some things, and I think we can get a very good texture for that office tower or hotel. So first thing I did when I'm starting a new object, I'm opening it on a program like Google Earth, like you see a Google Earth here, or QGIS where I have an orthophoto and you get all the GIS tools for that, like measuring distance, measuring area, and more things like that. So this is a little bit more accurate program, and what I did here, I'm simply measure the distances. So this is 26 meters, and you can see I get the readings here and it looks like a square, but the square with a broken angle. Like I don't know how it's called. I think it's trapezoid or something like that. In English, I'm not correct because in my language it's trapezoid or something like that. So we got that form, so 1990, and this is different. I hope it's trapezoid. I'm not sure the projection is orthogonal, but it's something that I can check. So first thing, I already take all the lines. How it's called in English? What good question. Sides, I think. Yeah, wing is saying wig. Um, edge. Oh yeah, I take the edges. So logical. So I take all the edges length, and now we need to calculate the height. So for the height, I have another site that some good friend send me a link for that. So here you can see it. We got this interference in interface, and what I got here is the digital elevation data. So we are working on the tower that located. Good question. Where is located? Oh, this one. Very good. So this tower has two levels of entry. Like you have the road here, that is the higher level. That's called second floor. This is the ground floor. So the ground floor height is 20.4 meters. And my cat just arrived. 20.4 meters plus. That's the height of that area. And the back area is 24.5. 24.5 meters. That's good. Alrighty tighty. So we got that one, 24.5, 24.4, so let's call it 4. It will be much easier to work with that. That means we have an elevation distance of 4 meters between the two levels. That's good for our floor height and the roof now. So I'm trying to get as accurate as possible for here. Let's see when I get the highest reading. 24.5. 24.5. Okay, from this side. Let's see this side, 24.5, and then the roof falls to 23 decimal something. We have air conditioning units, but I think this is enough to estimate it. 24 decimal, come on. Oh, we have 64.6. Well, I got second, 24.6, 24, I think I saw it here, 24.5, 64.5. Yeah, correction. So now let's do the math. So I need a calculator. It's too bad I don't have any working calculator here. And calculator. So 64.5 minus 20.4 will give us a height of 44 meters. Decimal 1 meters h. On this side, let's mark it, and on the back side, it's probably gonna be 40 meters decimal 1, because this is 4 meters change, so height, and that's good. Alrighty tighty, I done with that one. Something else I need to do here. Well, I got the readings, the dimensions, so now I can go back to, well, let's close some programs. I also asked ChatGPT to create a model of this building by photos I gave him, but that's the result. Didn't work. I think we still need modelers. At least at that point, we need some modelers. So yeah, that's well, something maybe that won't change that soon. So now let's move to the model here. I was talking about moving to the model. Oh yeah, there are some models I can close, like my real life projects. You don't need to see that one. I can close that one, okay, and let's see, where is the model? Okay, this is the new model. So let's start painting it. The first edge is 2600 centimeters. Up edge, this is 900 meters. This edge is 1200 centimeters. That's give us 2617 centimeters. 260, and I think it was a little bit more here. So let's check again the distances, just make sure they are correct. We have this point to that point. This is 12.1. Okay, 12.1. I wonder if I can change it. Yeah, let's change it. Let's move it like decimal one, so it's 10 centimeters. Oh, come on, I like nice numbers. Does it change anything? No, it didn't change. So let's keep it as it is here. Maybe that one is not correct. Let's see. Let's see. And this one is 26.2. Well, 20 centimeters. Sorry for that. Wrong press of the button. Good. 20 centimeters. Yeah, this is more closer to the reading I got. So we can start working with that one. Good. Okay, height 44.1, 4400. Let's do it. This is the structure. That's what I asked ChatGPT to do yesterday, but he didn't do it. So very good, very nice. I don't think I'm gonna work from here. I'm gonna move the building to that uh, access starting point, and this will be easier for me to work with. Another thing that I see a problem here is that I don't have an orthogonal line. That's not that good. I'm thinking how to solve it because I want to use a match photo for that. I can bring you here because here it will be easier to work, like here. So didn't want to work from that angle. Okay, where's the building? Here's the building, and we're gonna try to rip this photo. That's good, very nice. Okay, that's good. That's very, very good. So we got you, and what I want to do is take that one, uh, save image, and now we need to create how it's called, a folder for this project. So it's not projected yet, and I need to think, ooh, look at that, that's beautiful. Like, I can create all this facade, but who gonna see it? Like, it's gonna be overkill and too much to create this bridge here. Nobody can see it, just need to see the rooftops of that building when you're approaching or when you're in the terminal. So never mind. What I'm gonna do now, I want to find the name of the building. Oh yeah, I turned on the places. So roads, places. Here we go. This is uh, valid, valid. More and places, photos, border and labels. Wikipedia, nothing for Wikipedia community. By just wonder if there is some. Oh, each one of these buildings should have a name. It's too bad I can't locate any name for this tower. Let's try to see. Okay, this is a company located flight form. What is flight form? So now I know how this area is called. It's called flight form. Okay. So yeah, this called valid or something in Netherlands, and it's flight form and oven. Let's see. I'm just doing some research here. Okay, so all this district is called flight form. Okay, that's much better. So I should probably also update this name on the project itself. I accept cookies, very MVRDV. This is a very prestige architectural firm. So they probably do the planning here for that strange shapes, and all that area is called flight form. So I'm not sure I'm gonna be modeling them yet. They're pretty far away from the airport, but I do need to model the towers because they are pretty high and noticeable from the airport. So enough is enough is enough. We have to save that um, model. Okay, textures. Where's the textures? No, this is my old SKP, probably what I was working with my client. What I was working with my client. So gonna navigate like that. new folder. Oh yeah, EH, flight form. I hope the name is correct. Uh, the worst case, I'm gonna fix it. So we've got first photo. I don't know what I saved, but let's see. Let's see the name. Vlid. 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 Okay, never mind. File import. And yeah, I need to navigate there again until I will remember where I'm working today. So flight form, flight form, flight form. I could put it in city, but it's gonna be too much. I just want to make this area a little bit more at the place. So sorry, my head is still a little bit hurt. Um, Here it is. Let's see, the name is correct. The name is definitely correct. And make sure it's gonna be match photo. And here we go. It's placed. So you should be much lower. We're gonna use first perspective line to build an perspective for our modeling here. And it's gonna be a little harder. So here we go. I think it's something like that. And that line here. And that line here. One here. One is here. I think it's good enough. And now let's start bringing it up. Oh, the perspective looks so broken. Probably this one is broken a little bit. Yeah, it should be more like that, I think. Now it's on the white one. And that's good. Now let's enlarge you. So hopefully this is the size we need. Just wondering if this is on the correct point. It should be somewhere here. Can enlarge it a little bit more. This is the maximum I can. Looks like we need to enlarge you more. Oh yeah, this one is not correct. Oh, this one is correct. This one can be fixed too. This one is correct, so this one can get a little bit more correction. Okay, dokie, and this can go a little bit here. All I need to do now is that one. Now this one is correct, so the bottom is not correct. Let's see if I can do more adjustments here. Okay. That's correct. Okay. Now move it here. Good enough. So I wonder where's this 64? Is that correct or not correct? Let's do done. And probably we can start from here. This looks a little bit not right, but at least I know how the flooring goes here. Okay. So I said the first floor is 4 meters higher. Let's bring it up 4 meters. Enter. Is that the right height? No. I think the problem here is that I should go even lower. You see where's the door here? So we can always do edit mesh photo. I'm gonna edit it again. And we're gonna bring it lower, lower, lower like that. Here. Now we can enlarge it a little bit. Okay, just one last thing. The tower is not. Like he's saying the tower should be going like that. Maybe yes, maybe no. Like it's much wider. Okay. Let's press done for now, and now we know this is the ground. So I said this is 4 meters height for the first floor. Very good. Okay. Let's duplicate it and oh, this one too. That's good. So now we need to apply the texture. let's tell him create only the glass texture. Okie dokie. Now we should start working with the ChatGPT and start creating textures. I think we're gonna do some playing here. Like every day you study something new. I want to stand on this road a little bit more further away from this building, and let's tell him that I just want to create without just create. Okie dokie. Nope. Let's do new again. No, I don't want the upper floor. Okay, I just need to find the chat. Okay. This. Facade texture for the Sameless. Sameless. Okay, let's see what you have to say right now. Oh, nothing here, but we have one viewer. Thank you for joining. Come on, upload it. So let's take a look again at this photo. So the first floor is 4 meters, and that floor is probably 4 meters, and here it's going shorter. This is a very important thing, so what we want to do now is to do that thing at another 4 meters. And let's take a look at the roof. So I wonder if I can get the rooftop by itself, and also what height of between each floor. I think it's gonna be 3.5 meters. Let's try 330 and times 6. Oh, sorry, times 6 times 10. No, it's much. Really wonder what height of floors we're implementing here. Like we have 13 floors, 30 floors minus 2. This is 11 floors. It's 8 meters. So 44 minus 8 gonna give us 36 meters. So 36 divided by 11. We are getting 3.3 meters for floor. Logical. I know. Just H. So we're talking about 3.3. Let's do it. 330 times 11. That looks correct now. I know that the last floor is high again, so this should be 6 meters. Let's take a look at that, if that 6 meters or not. Where is that Google Earth? Right. So we have short floors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's correct. And the last floor is a very high one, 4 meters probably again. And then we have the rooftop. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to count 10 floors here. So we can remove that one. And let's see, hidden. No hidden. K-lines. I forgot that facade, but it's never mind. Move. Time. 4 meters again. And now we've got the roof. So probably the height of the roof is not that correct. But the question is where I did my mistake. That's a good question, but it's never mind. We can always do edit match photo and try to align it to the rooftop and see where we are at. So let's see. This is the height. This is the rooftop. This is 4. I hope all my counting here was correct. Let's press done. Still not sure why this is that distance here. We can make a test on Google Earth and also waiting for the chat to finish the texture. what I can do here is turn off 3D buildings and do what is the most logical thing to do, like measure it here too, like get two measurements. Let's see, from here to here is telling me 25.6, even shorter than what I get from QGIS, so we are pretty much where we should be. Okay. Let's see what we've got on the texture. Oh, come on. Not correct. On the black pixel parts, there is no win. Silver, silver. Come on. There is no silver. Um, silver framed windows. Only one. Oh no, it's also two. Okay. The floor height is equal and the height between floors is 3.3 meters. This is for the main body of the building. Enter. Good. It looks like he did ruin it again. Oh no, he did it good, but can I work with that? No, 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 no. Maybe it's better for me to take the first one because it was the best one that I got. Just need to replace one segment here. Like using that again. Yeah, let's try to use that one. Why not? It's a small correction that I need to do here. Okay, let's say also the glass has equal spacing vertically. And the silver frame is 3 segments and always and all and the glass there and the glass side the silver frame divided into two segments in equal size. Let's should correct that one. Or else I have a better idea. I will try to create it by myself. Okay, this is much worse. Let's try to help him. In the end, I'm gonna create the texture by myself. Oh, some viewers has left. Okay, let's try to do it again. Okay, new. Oh, come on. New. Yeah, we're gonna drop it here. Yep, nope. Now let's do the magic. We need to take that one here, 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 and here. So let's go up. Let's go here. Okay. Let's take it here. Let's take it here. This one here. This one here. Enter. Okay, it's very nice. Let's do it equal. I don't think it's correct. So let's break it. 9,000 pixels. That's not correct. Is that correct now? Well, pretty much. Image size. Let's make it smaller. Let's make it 2000. I don't think I ever took something that big. Control A, Control C. Okay, okay, no. Here is a photo. Is uses geometry and generate this texture, same less, very high quality. I think like I'm speaking with small child. Like sometimes you can only throw in some comments like draw texture seamless. Also can work, I think. It's a robot. Let's see. What do you think? It's gonna succeed or it's gonna fail now? Are we gonna have any success here? Put drums, please. Dum 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 dum. Come on. Oh, my cat is behind me and she's sleeping on the bench near the radiator. Okay, let's see. Oh, have I forgot to upload a photo? Maybe. Okay, Control A, Control C, Control V. Please upload it. Let's. Okay. Okay, let's see. Tam tam tam. Oh, come on, kill me. Okay, okay. simply use my photo as a geometrical reference. Use straight lines, orthogonal to draw the texture. Simply try to enhance my photo, but use generative that will look my photo. Let's try. Oh, come on, no. What have I done? Stop. Where's the stop? I thought I still copied the texture. Well, it's creating something. Stop. It's my photo. Photo. Okay, that's what I need to take. Control V. Where's the Photoshop? Control A, Control C. Control V. Good. Please do it correctly. I think there is much easier textures to create or simply reuse it. Okay, let's see. Uh, there is no. Copy image. Come on, no. It's totally broken. No, it shouldn't be like that. This is even better than the previous one. Okay, maybe I simply should use that one. Share, no, download. Where's the download? Let's simply use that one. I'm simply killing myself for that. Okay, let's do cut. I'm gonna fix it. And here I want to drop it into the model. So at the end I'm already using my old, no, not that one. This is client, this is textures at the, not the correct temp, not here. Oh, so many files not in the right place. Okay, desktop, Eindhoven project, and flight form. Paste. Let's try it here. Okay, I know it's not the perfect one, and well, it's not the worst one. But what I want to do here is say that this one is not correct. So let's do that. Control C, Control V, Control Shift I, Control C, Control, no, not the right one, Control C, Control V. I'm gonna bring it up, and this I can bring down. This doesn't look correct. Nope. So maybe this should go a little bit lower. Let's see. Not sure. Okay, I see the problem here. So this one, Control T, flip, vertical, horizontal. Better. Control T, flip, horizontal. Not the best one. So I'm not satisfied with that window because there's no window here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, Control C, Control V, bring it here. And this should be 3. Like that. Okie dokie. It's totally broken now when I see this texture. Huh. Well, nobody gonna know what I did here, I think. Here it's correct with 3. You know what? I can draw him, Assad. Can I? Okay, if I'm gonna draw him sketch for that. Where's the Google Earth? Oh, I closed it. I wonder if you can understand me when I'm gonna draw something. Let's draw like this is a red pen. Like we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on, I can't believe I'm gonna try this one. Oops. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, we have a lot of viewers. Hello, hello, guys. Thank you for coming. Where's my ChatGPT? We're gonna fight it till the end. Let's read. Nice. Arts is where the floor located, and above it glass. The distance is equal, and the size of floor and the glass should be the same for the floor and same for the glass. The glass is higher than the floor, and the frame, the windows with the thick silver frame, taking 3 segments of glass. No windows on the leg part. Use all the materials. All the materials. Go again over the chat and try to create a texture that will represent the real building Sad texture. Oh, come on, I'm thinking like this was the longest one I ever wrote. Maybe there is a better AIs that can do it much more accurately. Probably thinking for myself that you are also sitting there and trying to do the same thing I'm doing and say, hey, I managed to do it, and you didn't manage to do it. And if you are doing that, please send me the texture that you get, because as a creator, well, when you're working in companies and themes, at some point you learn that it's not worth to keep fighting against this problem. And sometimes you just need to get for a solution, even if the solution is not perfect. So all the ways are, I think, correct and uh, legal. So let's see. I must say it doesn't look good already. Oh no, it looks fine now. What? Okay. Okay, let's do it parametrically. Okay, you know what? Okay, let's do it parametrically. Each floor, each floor has two segments. Pixeled metallic black cover where the floor located. Metallic black cover where the floor located. A curtain glass wall with thin black profile, probably from the inside. For all the floors being cut vertically by this by this by the distance. The distance of the vertical cuts are equal. Inside these vertical lines, in the window section, there is a framed silver window section. The size of this element is 3 sections, and inside frame it has 2 wings. So each window inside this wings section is 1.5 minutes of normal sad. It's much easier to draw it instead of telling him what to do. בפעם הראשונה אנחנו מביאים לכם התכתבות בין פלדשטיין לבין עופר גולן, האיש שצמוד לנתניהו כבר יותר מעשור. גולן שולח לפלדשטיין כתבה שמתפרסמת בארץ זמן קצר לאחר הפרסום בבילד, וכותב עבודה יפה. פלדשטיין משיב, תודה אח. פלדשטיין שולח כתבות המשך נוספות וגולן מחמיא, מדהים, תביא את חלק 2. פלדשטיין, מחר. You know what? I'm gonna draw him the facade logic. Stay with me. you're gonna see my amazing ability in architecture. Let's see what he did. Oh, well, it's getting better. Okay, I think we're almost done here. Mhm. Okay, I need to look at the photo again. Okay, how I'm gonna draw this window? I think I'm gonna use marker. Where's the marker? Marker, 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 marker. Oh, that's better now. Here's the marker. Okay, okay, I hope I managed to do it. So you're gonna see it now. I didn't turn on the camera, so you didn't see what I did, but I'm gonna upload it to ChatGPT now and try to see and explain him what I did here. Okay, good. Let's upload this because I already know what I'm gonna do here. Oh, you know what? I have the segments. I have everything that I need. Why am I simply not building it by myself? Well, that's an option. But first, where is the ChatGPT? Okie dokie, 1 second. So let's see what have I done. Where is that? Here is the chat. We're gonna go there. And I want to open the existing chat. Plus, add photo. Let's give that one done. And white height goes to go. Look at the direction of Okay, I'm crossing my fingers now. What do you think? You gonna work or not? So, oh, it's thinking now. Very good. Okay, where is our... Oh, wait. So, let's see. Facade geometry corrections, but where is... Why I'm not seeing it here? Come on. Oh, maybe you're still writing that. Okay, I need to give him some answers now. Okay, have you finished? So can I reload it? Let's see. Do we have any luck here? Yes, very good. Okie dokie. So this is the sketch I gave him. Okay, now it's finally clear. Thank you for blah, blah, blah. Yeah, he's lying. Glass. Floor slabs. No, 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 no. Z. What is that? Not correct. I need root, please. Please rotate it 90 degrees. Rotate the sketch 90 degrees to the opposite direction of a clock, because I forgot the word for that, and read it again. But I took the photo correctly. I can't believe it that I'm fighting now against the angle that I insert the photo. Damn. Got it, thank you. X. Left to right correctly. Y. Window. Window height. Okay. X. Horizontal models. Left to right. Z. Bottom top. Yes, reading it correctly. Your sketch now. Read constantly. Final parameter. So, vertical subdivision. Black Z. Glass Z. Upper part of the floor. Slab pixel metal brand. Glass height Z. Black size. Position. Okay. Okay. Look. Yeah. Let's do new. Based on my sketch and on this photo. Okay. Now I think you can understand this photo. Okay. So. On sketch and this photo, please Okay, it's gonna be the worst comedy ever, I think. I'm going to grab something to eat. Okay, I'm back. Hmm. Should I stop it? Yeah, I'm gonna stop it. Hmm. Looks like he's dead. Okay. Looks like the chat has died. Not good. Well, we have a new chat. Come on. Okay. Let's do more corrections now. I can't stand here on the upper one. Too bad. Let's see, maybe we can. No. Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe we can turn on photos. No, no photos here. We can look for... Yeah, we have some photos. Architecture. Very good. And then I'm gonna simply use some generic texture that I'm gonna find somewhere. Come on. No. Okay, maybe the chat is back and alive. Oh, that's beautiful, but I'm not sure I can use it. That's very nice. Wish I could take this photo too. Okay, let's do that. Size. Let's search only for large ones. Okay, dokie. No, it's 1,400. Okay. No. Oh, that photo. That's what I wanted, but this is orthogonally fixed. Let's see if the chat is back. Why? Okay. No, it's a very small one. Archidaily. I have an account here. You should remember me. Come on. Why are you not remembering me? Next. Okay. Now it's very old photos. Let's see if we can get... Oh, come on. Is that? It's not that old project. Wonder why the photo is so bad. Oh, very nice inside. Copy image. Maybe we can try to put it here. Uh, what happened to the chat? Why I cannot work with him? Save images. Okay. It should be here. Oh, we have the plan. Okay. So the building is not straight by the plan. At least we have the plan now. Where is that? Okie dokie. Save images. We have. It's too much. I don't need. And the next project. No. So at least we got the correct plan of the building. We can try to correct it. Oh, but this looks terrible. Hey, haven't I saved a plan here? No, I saved your plan. Where's the plan? Here it is. No, no, not that one. Open image in new tab, save image, save, thank you. Oh, I see why you are not doing that. Sorry. Okay, at least this gonna help me. Okay, so what I should do now is go back here, and at least we can correct it here. File, import. I was pretty sure it's orthogonal, but now I find out it's not orthogonal. And that's a mistake. Enter. Done. Delete. Yes. Now we can fix it. Okay. That's good. And now we need to make it smaller. So which direction should I make it smaller? This direction and this direction. And we need to make it smaller this direction. Looks like we are pretty much there. Let's see. Maybe another click will do the work. Yeah, another click will do the work. Yeah, but I want to make it this direction. This direction is good. Let's see. One click and I'm fine. That's good. Now we have it. Good, very good. So all that is not correct. Let's fix it. How much? Well, that much. It looks like 90 centimeters. And I see that we can enlarge it a little bit. That's good. That's almost fine. Okay, good enough. So, if I did that, I can try to see if the correction can fix how the building looks like. Well, definitely can change it. Let's do image correction, edit, edit, edit. So this is not correct. I cannot use the perspective anymore. Okay, at least I know what the height and all the other things. At least I did it correctly. Let's press done. And I just need to get the textures now. So all I'm waiting now is for the ChatGPT to... No. Oh, here it is. All I need to do is to close it and open it. Okay. Please work, please work, please work. Wait on my sketch. Okay. Oh, we already have it. So just here. Real. Okay. Let's try it. And let's see what you have to say there. Well, this is the most challenging building, I think. Because it's not stone like most of the building that you simply drop some bricks texture. Here I need to work with curtain walls. In the worst case, I simply can create these segments and it will be much easier for me to create these segments. Well, I can do it. It won't be that hard. Where is the chat? Chat. Okay, he's already thinking about something, and I think I need to take a break now. Do you think it's correct? Do you think it's fine? Yeah, why not? It looks like we got something finally. Save image as, but the one here looks not correct, but why not? Why not? Save. Okay. Download. Here we go. Let's drop it. Come on, where is the building? Okay, let's see what I got. Still doesn't look correct and looks like you've missed some of the profiles, but let's see. Where is that model? Here it is. Let's do that. Create texture plus 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 plus. Yeah, here plus. Upload texture. I think this one. And it should be 10 meters height, at least something to start with. Oh, no, we should start here. Okay. Okay. Oh no, this is the 4 meters. What just happened here? It should be like that, but it's get bigger. I don't like it. Okay, I see I don't have anything else to do. I'm broken, guys. I'm simply broken because of that. Should be a simple one, but I'm fighting with it for too much. So simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's do it like that way. I simply had enough. Divide by 14. Okay, that's good. I need a break. I do? What should I do? Well, first let's throw a texture on the building. At least that one. Nope. Copy image. I'm gonna try something here. At least something. Let's go to Photoshop. New. I'm gonna try to create this texture. Oh, no. Pixel inch, yeah, no problem, but show grid, no problem with that, but why this one is broken? Um, I don't need that one. Like, simply do whatever you need to do. This one all the way down. Alrighty. Resolution like 300 and enter. Well, not bad, not bad at all. We can work with that one. Save. No, but I'm starting from here, so that's a problem. And it start from here. Come on. No, 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 don't move it. This one here, good. Okay, save as. And let's save it here. JPEG, facade 1. Save. Alrighty, dighty. Let's work with that one. Okay, we're gonna create new material. And gonna use F1, open. Okay. See what we've got. It's gonna be 40 meters height, I think. That's correct. Position. Take the bottom one, put you here, and then I'm gonna take this one, bring you here. And what about the height? All until the last floor. This is the 4 meters floor. Already you can see some mistakes here. Interesting. Like the amount of floors is not correct. Let's simply draw it and see where I did my mistake. Like I took this one and looks like one floor is missing. No, this is correct. Huh, interesting. So 11 floors. 1 second. Maybe I did a mistake here. "13 floors, okay, that's correct. Oh, it's 12 floors. Where I did my mistake? Oh, 1 second. 13 floors. So I took 2 floors, that's left me with 11 floors. And it's 10 floors. Last floor is again meters, and the last floor is 4 meters. 11, so it's turning it into 10 floors. I should have 10 floors here. And this is so the mistake is here. Okie dokie, my mistake. We'll fix it in a second. Let's fix it. Yeah. Yep, gonna fix it. And from here to here. Very good, very good. Let's do that. Ooh, not correct. And divide by 10. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, that's more like it, but something is still not right. Okie dokie. Ugh. What the height of the floor? 3 meters now. It's little bit shorter than what I thought. Looks like the floors are a little bit higher here. So let's take a look at the photo again. Very high floor, and then the last one maybe also very high floor. Interesting. You see the distance here? And here it's the same one as here. Okay, well, never mind. Well, it is mine, like... Well, we can try to reduce 30 centimeters from each floor, and then these floors will be higher. So what I can do here is like give it 60, 30, push pull 30 here too, and then I can do that, and then divide it by 10. Move from here to here, divide by 10. Let's see if this is gonna fix it. What just happened here? I know what just happened here. I messed it up. I should bring you here again. You should get all the way here. Very good. Now we need to paint it. Oh no, not you. You. Let's see where the mistakes are falling here. It's 3 meters. Not a problem at all. 1, 2, this is correct. Maybe we have a higher floor somewhere. So what I want to do is take a look at the floors. No, they are pretty much equal. This is a hidden floor, no problem with that. Okay. So apparently my microphone was off, and as you can see, I already came back here and started working on that. And yeah, I'm gonna finish it. So I have no problem with you. I just need to draw the glass here. So we're talking about 80 centimeters. So this segment is 80 centimeters. Come on, here we go. Finally, something is working. Okay, very good. So let's go back, and what I'm gonna use the chat here is to create textures, but we're gonna create bricks for that. Okay, just create a texture for random on the X side, the black one. The black one. Okay, let's hope this is gonna work now. No, nobody's watching us. At least we have 2 viewers. Hello, hello, welcome. So I asked him to create for the X side. Okay, never mind. At least we can run it on that one. After doing that, very good. Without that one, okie dokie. Now I know exactly what I should do. At least we have this one. Oh, the upper one has that not finished window. Okay, I see. Let's see if the chat managed to do. Uh, you know what? We have something better for him. Oh, I thought I have something better for him. Where is the Archdaily? We need the Archdaily. Archdaily, where are you? Here, copy. Control V. Here is a better view on the cell, the texture, the photo. Um, okay. Okay. I cannot open the image, but let's save it at least. Maybe I can reuse it from here. Oh, it's using the same names. Ugh. Okay, now let's use that one. Move up, 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 up. Come on. Up, 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 up. Oh, I see where the problem is. No, you don't see where the problem is. Like, this is the end. Oh, I see the problem. The texture position. Like, my mistake was that should be here. And this should fix the problem. You sure? Maybe? Yes, maybe no. I'm gonna use that one. Control Shift, I think. Vertical. Oh, yeah, it did. Well, at least now it's correct. Haha. So at least I know the floors ends here. How much? Where? 115? No, 120. Okay. And this is the rooftop. So let's see here. 44. Where's the height of the building that I already wrote? Um, the roof itself is at 44.1, but this is the higher roof. And the inner roof. Let's try to see what the inner roof is. Ooh, yeah, but it's okay. This is good, but I also need to make it pixelated. Pixelated. So how are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do the pixelation? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Let's take like this. Like in this photo. Okay, yeah. Very nice. Okay, so I want to inspect the inner height of this roof. So while it's doing that, let's do that and find that site. Let's go to where I need to go to be at. Oof. Here's the building. So we have air conditioners that we don't need. This is the air conditioners. This is air conditioners. So we are talking about 62. One second, I need this page. Okay, so we are talking about 62.9er. I think this is the lowest point of the building. 62, 64, 62.8. Oh yeah, let's call it 8. Oh, 9er. Okay, never mind. Now, I need to do a calculator. So 62.9er minus 20.4 is 42.5 meters. 42.5. So where I'm standing here, come on, please work. 42.8. Ooh, very close. Very nice. I like it. Like, I do need to bring it down 30 centimeters lower. So 30 centimeters lower. Yeah, well, it's pretty close. So let's see what we got in the texture. Oh, no. Come on. You, even you did it better on the first time. You try to do what you already did. Ah, where is it gone? No, no. Yes, okay, right, indeed. Okay, let's take a look again. So we have some profiles here. This is 3.5, so we can already paint all that spacing. Yeah. Okay, let's see what he done. Simply make this. Oh no. No. Let's give him. Oh, I'm not holding it correctly. Nope. Like that, or maybe need to move one here. Okay, let's try to use that one. No, here is a zoom in on the real part of the building. Regenerate this text. And no error occurred. Stop. Okay, let's make this one for now. What is that? 3 centimeters? 4. Okay. No, 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 no. 2.5. No, it should be smaller. It's 4 centimeters, so 2 and 2. Gotta make something like that. Oops. 2. Can do it on multiply offsets. Why I'm not doing it? Good question. Okay. Now we can take this one and this one. Oh no. No! Very good. Okay, still creating image. So now I need to create profiles. Or I can take the profiles. You see here I did that one. I have no problem with this. What material I used here? Oh, simply a material. Not sure I like this material. Do I have the black one? Nope. Maybe here? Oh yeah, we have it here. Control C. Good. Control V. Oh no. Bucket. Alt. Nope. Move up. Oh, it's projected. Rotate 90 degrees. Rotate 90 degrees. Now let's bring it higher. Like that. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. 42. 8. And 2 centimeters. All the way here. Good. Oh, and here I'm stopping it. So we're going with the windows. Over that one. So 2 centimeters. Or maybe 1 centimeter.
תשמע, אני לא מתה על כריסמס, אני לא מתחברת לכל העניין של חגים שמחים. יופי, באים ואומרים להם שלג, עצים, אורות, מתנות, ואז מה יש? אותו דבר כמו אצלנו, ארוחות משפחתיות, ואין מסגרות לילדים, ועצב קיומי, להם יש פעמוני כריסמס, לנו יש שופר, ככה אנחנו שמחים, בעצב. אתה אוהב כריסמס? למה?
Oh, nope. Yeah, good. No, 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 no. Let's see. Oh, he's still thinking. Oh, where's the stop? Come on, why, why? Oh, come on. Here's here is a close glass. In Okay, come on, please do it, do it, do it. No progress today, guys, no progress. Let's hope it's gonna work. Why haven't they searched for a printed pixel facade? Yeah, why not? No, black. None of them. Hmm. No, glass. Oh, the cubes should be bigger. Printed. I don't know. I don't like it. Squares. More. There's no good. Oh, we got it. Something at least. Open image, new tab. Let's see. No. It's also printed on the glass, if you can see that. Open image, new tab. I found something. Oh, look at that. That's good. Very, very good. What is that side? Thomas Meyer archive. Thank you, Thomas Meyer. I'm gonna use that. First, we're gonna use this one. Open image in new tab. Oh, this is not the highest quality. D. No. Because even the photo here is pixelated, and I don't like it. Just need to find good view over that facade. Oh, what about this one? Also a small one. Where is the chat? Okay, now we are getting somewhere, but I needed much better zoom in on that one. Look at that, this is beautiful, but what about this one? No, there's some reflection. This is like very good one. Copy image, copy, save image. Hey, you know what? I don't open image new tab. Save image as. Okay, save. So what I'm suggesting here, I'm suggesting to try to use this photo. Where is that photo? Here it is. Let's try to use it. This is not the right one. Haven't I saved it? I just downloaded it. Save images. Where you saved it? Here. Save. Already exists. Oh, I see it. Well, my eyes, I'm not finding it anymore. So here it is. I'm gonna try to work with that one. Okay, let's crop the first one. Okay, good. 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 Very nice. Style. Let's do auto color contrast. Save as. F1, F2, I'm gonna call it. Save. Okay. Let's. Okay. Okay. Okay, I give him another feedback, so let's see if we're gonna manage to do that. Meanwhile, I will search for a better image of that one. Oh, this one is no reflections. I don't like. Why there's no good? But it's very small, very, very small resolution. Okay, he's doing something. Let's try to open this one. He did the same thing again. Oh, that's good. Open image in tab. Here I got exactly what I need. Save images. Okay. Okay, at least I have one segment now. Okay, here's the zoom in. Well, I can do a whole project with that one. Nope, but I need the perspective one. Nope. Okay, you're doing it wrong. Good. Enter. But what I'm gonna do with you? It's a good question. Yeah, image size, I think not you, not you, not you, not you. Image size, I think 1200 will be better for that one. Let's break this one. 1200. Okie dokie. You know what? I can take this one. Control C, Control V. Like that. But it should be darker. 0.9er. I think it's better. Save as. No, maybe auto contrast will help us. Okay. F3. Hmm. Here, here, here's even. Here's, no, let's see. Silence. Here, silence. Okay, let's see what else I can take from the site. Okay, we need to finish the topping. Against sun. Very nice.
ברור שלא. הרי זו עוד הוכחה לתקרת הזכוכית שמונעת ממזרחים להגיע להישגים משמעותיים. מפלים את משה, כי הוא היה גבר מזרחי, גאה ומצליח. משה לא נכנס לארץ כי אלוהים אמר לו שיבקש מים מהסלע. והוא כמו
Okay, let's download this one. At least I can try to work with that one. Okay, now let's try to work with what I got here. Okie dokie. Okay, Control C, Control V. 50. Okay, this is in the right place. 100. Control C, Control V. All the way here. 50. Okie dokie. Good. Control T. Flip. Horizontal. No. Flip vertical. 100. C, Control V, Control T, flip, horizontal, flip, vertical. Enter. Oh, let's see what he did. The same thing. And I need to take this one. Good. File, save as. JPEG. EHEH. Lead. SUD. Let's see. Let's see. I'm really interested in seeing what I got here. Good. Okay. So now, what should I do? The model. Nice. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Create new texture. Upload. Where is the texture? I think this is open. Okay. Okay. 90 degrees. All the way. Where should put you? Here. What? Why you're not working? Because of that one. Okie dokie. Good. Now let's bring it, make it nope. Smaller. And fix the yellow one. Now it's working. Enter. Rotate, 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 position, projection, rotate, rotate, rotate. What I'm doing? Oh, position. No. Flip alone, flip alone, flip alone. Blue. Nope. Where is that? Also different opacities I think I need to do here. That won't be a problem. Pocket out. I'm gonna try to use the same material from here. This looks a little bit too cold. Control V. That's a good start. Be somewhere here. That's nice. Let's say 50, or let's use multiply. And Control J. Color. 100. Good. I think it's good enough. Save as. JPEG. Where's that? This one. Save. Yes. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, nice. Very nice. No, 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 no. Why are not working? Like that. And this should be higher now. Very good. Just like that. Texture, not reset. Rotate, 180. Flip, left, right. That's good. Good. No problem. Left, right. Nice. Okay, that starts getting somewhere now. Hmm. I I think this one can be a little bit less opacity here. So I'm gonna make this one and like that. But 50, even darker. Or maybe you're gonna put it on multiply. Let's try that one. Okay, we have this one, and let's do Ctrl J again. And let's make this like 80% dark. Save as. Save. Good. Oh, nice. Now we can change different layouts. Let's use that one. Flip, up, down. Good. Okie dokie. Flip, left, right. Let's use the dark one. Flip, up, down. Here it is. Enter. Oh, I already have the paintings here, so I can try to adjust it more correctly. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, it starts from here, so left to right. Flip, left to right. And here it can be a black one. Here. Here we can use it again. Here the same thing. Here we have a dark one. Oopsie. So it's should go like that. Texture, position, flip, up, down, enter. Ooh, nope, 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 nope. But that, it's broken here. I think I made a mistake here, like I need to move you to. Enter. Dark one again. And here it's going from the other side. Bright one. Okie dokie. Texture, position, flip, left, right. Enter. And here is going from the left. That's from the right, sorry. And here it's going to the, oh, and it's ending like this with this one. Very nice. And here it's going from the bottom, but from the bottom. Texture, position, flip, up, down. Enter. Y segment of the window. Oof. I think this should be a little bit less, like it's very, very strong here. We can always fix it, we can always fix it. So this is 50, let's make it 33. And this will be, oh, it's 100, so 75. No, it should be 100. 100, and how much was that? 50. 50. This is 80. So let's turn you into 60, and you will be 30. No, it didn't do it correctly. Save as. Mm. Mm. Oh, copy. No. Yes. Okay, I need to save it. And I need JPEG. And I want to save this one. It said it looks a little bit too dark. Good. No, no, this is not the right material. Not the right material. Edit, upload. Oh, much better now. Okay, move. This one should be here. This one should be here, but texture, position, flip, up, down. Good. This one the same as here. Blech. Position, flip, up, down. Oh, these three are gone. These three are gone. Three are gone. Three are gone. Three are gone. 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 What about this one? This is totally different. What the height here? 220. 226. 226. That's better. That's better now. So what we're talking here about, looks like this should be 15 centimeters. Do I need a metallic texture for that one? Oh no, it's too much. Okay, they're all done. So now we need them aluminium. Yeah, nice aluminium texture. I think we can take it from this tower. The moment I'm gonna find something. Nope. Oh, look at that. At least I made a texture here. No, I don't think I'm gonna find something here. This is a very early model without all the advanced materials. Nope. Maybe here. Maybe here. Yeah, looks better. Control C, but this should be, in this case, as a projection. Oop, 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 oop. Very good. Nice. Texture, position. So this should start here and should go all the way up there. Good. That's what I need. Nope. Oh, I made it twice here. My mistake. Okay. Good. Okay, this will start getting somewhere here. Still didn't. No. 6. Where? Okay, just give him a correction here. Let's keep running with that one. Well, okay, this starts from here, this side. Black one. And this one. And this is from the bottom. This is from the top. Still not doing it correctly. Okay, what about these two? Okay, this starts like that one. And this one is the same one as here. But there's a little bit difference between that one and that one. Don't know, but better to use it from some time to time. And this is a totally black one. And a total black one also here. Good. And a total black one here. Now let's paint it with the black material from here. I wonder if it should be darker. I can make it darker. Okie dokie. This is very bright, I think. No, it's in the middle, like I can use that one. No, this one, but we can use it from this side. Enter. Ah, my eyes. What about all that one? This is a very challenging part, I think. Yeah, in a second I can start working on them, but I need to open another model. And I don't have any other model that I can work with right now. Unless I can work with this one. Yeah, I need this material, the glass material, but I have two different kinds of glass, so I can turn on lights inside this building. Control V, pocket out. Yeah, that's the biggest problem right now. So this can go, how many? 2 centimeters? Pockets. Pocket. Like I can take this one here, but if I'm gonna use it vertically, it's gonna look awful. Like that's what I need to do now, but it should be with some opacity or a PNG. Oh, PNG will be much better, but the proportion is not right. Delete. Ah, hmm. Okay, I have an idea. Shift E, image size, canvas size, no image size, um, percent with 200. Control C, something like this, like this. Okie dokie. Now let's Control Z, Control Z, very good. Control Z again. Let's save it because I don't want to lose all the things I already did here. And I need you as JPEG. No, PSD. Good. I'm gonna save you here. Um, Pixels texture. Good. What about all that? Well, first we have a big. Oh, yeah. Let's subdivide you. Good. So we have a small one. Let's say it's gonna be 2, and this is gonna be 7.5. Even more, 10 centimeters. Let's take a look at the detail. Well, the frames is like that, and this is going closer. Okie dokie, okie dokie. So this can be removed. I still can use the same one here. That's the most important part. So I'm stuck in here about not 5, maybe 7.5, 705, and another 15 here. Well, never mind. No, this, but this going out too. Even 5, but I don't care. And push pull, 2 inside, 2 inside. Oh, nope. Bracket, alt, 2. Is that the same depth as this one? Yes. Is it the same depth? Yes. Good. Good, good, good. Mm-hmm. Now, this can get another 2 here, too. Oh no, you killed me. You killed me. Oh no. Yeah, much better. I'm gonna tell you why I did it. Because of that one. That's better. So I have a continuity here with this one. That's good. 2, 2. Nope, it's already built. Okay, bucket. No, 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 no. This is a bit broken. I think maybe the slabs can be a little bit more correct. Well, 2, 2. What about this one? 2, 2, 2, 2. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is not set yet correctly. So I fixed you here. Well, we can take this one from here to, no, no one here. Yeah, we can put you here, and you killed it. Okay, what am I gonna do that? Well, it's better than nothing. Better. Still. No. He is not managing to do it. I'm really getting mad on him. At least this one is a clean one, so 1. Alt. No, I just need to take you. This is the most annoying thing. Okie dokie. Make group. Make component. Create. Gonna use it as a component, but something went verstroken here. Yeah, this one should not. Ah, it's sticky, right? Um, there is an option to remove that one. Enter info, unglue. The moment I turned you into a component, you ruined it. Oh, and this is much better. Where is the option for not sticking the component? Oh. Yeah, I need to remove that one. Oh, come on. Please don't do it. Better. Move. Go here. Nope. I should have removed that one. Okay. Move again. All the way here. And delete this one. Is that what I want? Delete. Yeah, looks more or less what I want to get. Good. 2 centimeters. Push pull 2. That's a problem here, and we have to fix the problem here on the side. And it's gonna make a lot of problems and troubles in the next step, so I need to be careful with that one. I just want to make more clean here, and I said I'm not satisfied with that. Okay, so now I have, okay, did a very good job. 185 on 2, 185, 185 on 225. This is the portion of the panel make sense. Here for 6. Okay, I think we are getting somewhere now, guys. One. Okay, so I need to remove you. And here we should have 2. The only problem, I just missed if I need to flip it. Boo on that. Okay. Why am I making everything so complicated? Bucket Alt. No, Alt from here to here. And I need to take a look at the facade. Left, right. Okie dokie. So this is correct. This is not. This should be. No. No. Don't paint it. Yeah, very good. So, no. This should be flipped. Green. No. Flip. Red. Oh, great. Exactly what I need. So this is here. This is like continuing that one. 2. Enter. Remove. Remove. Delete. Take that one. Move. Duplicate. Here. Very good. Nice. Delete. Nope. Delete. Now I should have the glass patterns. At least I have 2 floors already done. 2 floors, it's nothing compared to all this building. Okay, let's see what do we have now. What the connect them. Okay, it's good enough. I can work with that one. Download. Download, share. Download. Show in folder. We're gonna work on them, my friends. Okie dokie. Finally something is moving right, but why you're making things I hate? Mm, Can you out ground? Okay, I asked him last one thing. Meanwhile, I'm using that one as color and How much multiply? 50% multiply. So I don't liking it. Ugh, come on. No, you are. Here, bucket alt, send to editor. At least we're gonna do Ctrl J here, multiply, and you're gonna be 50%. You know what? 75%. Ctrl Shift E, Ctrl S. Please work. Hopefully it's gonna work. Yeah, much better now. Mm. 1, 2. That's correct. The window should be flipped. I just need 6. No. Yes. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay, move, duplicate here, and that's mean this one and this one. Control Z, delete. Good. So let's make 2, 2, 2, bucket out. Good, good, good. And now push pull 2 centimeters. Bucket out. No, alt 1, 2, 3. Good. Total black one. Ooh, yeah, but should be like that here and here. Very good. At least I have one, first one. Now this one goes from the bottom, 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 bottom. Here's like that one. Move, copy. Okay, very good. This is from the top, so I need to use that one. Good. Is it still alive? Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Okie dokie. Here we're going up. Ooh, that was a lot of removing here. Bucket out. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, this one comes from here. This is the total black one. Where do we have the total black one? This is the total black one. Yeah, that's a good one. Move, duplicate. Like that one? No. Oh, it's gonna be challenging. Where I have midpoint. Here's a midpoint. And I need to find a midpoint here. Oh, here's the midpoint. Good. Yeah, very nice. This goes from this side. Move from here. Oh, finally, we got it. Join folder. No, but gradient. Where pixels. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see what you're gonna give us here. Meanwhile, I can keep going with that one. This is from the top. Move from here. I'm not sure I'm doing it correctly, but you should be here, and it's coming from the bottom. This comes from here, and this comes from here, and after that a black one. A black one with the top, coming from the top, black one coming from the top, like this one. Then we have like this one again, black one, and bright one. Black one, and oh, it's simply like repeating itself. Don't know why. Move up. That's good. Let's finally start progressing somewhere. Oh, my mistake. Well, oh. I'm still fighting against you. What happened? Pause. Okay. Let's see. Oh, someone is... Oh, yeah. It can be very frustrating, I think, but hey, at least I'm building something. At least it's coming somewhere, also. It's really frustrating, but I hope to make a few floors and then I simply can duplicate them to save some time. And yeah, I know, it's frustrating. And it's getting old, but I'm having pretty much fun with that. I really want to see the result. And the ChatGPT is the most frustrating part here. Yeah, I hope it's won't be that bad. Just need to clean it a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Render. And I'm still surprised that the stream is still going. Hey, it should be a glass texture. Don't know why it's not working. Uh, okay, bucket, alt, material. Let's see what's wrong with you. Hey, editing V-Ray. Yeah, reflection. Yeah, that's much better. It's gonna do the work. You can close that. You can go here, render output. Full HD will be much better. Gonna put it on this time of the year, and we can try to see here. I think it will be more understood here. Yeah, at least it's working. I think there should be a little bit brighter. What I really frustrated now is that I'm not getting what I want, especially exactly from the ChatGPT to create the vertical one. And I get very frustrated about it. Why? Why? Maybe I should replace them. I'm really not satisfied with the result. Like, I don't like this texture, I must say. Well, at least let's replace this windows. Okay, so we should cut 2 centimeters. No. Why are you not cutting? Oh, it's follow me. No, 2 centimeters. Enter. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. At least I can finish that one. Nope. Okie dokie. So the big one is here. Come on. Ooh, too much to remove. So the big one is here. This man we can use exactly you. Oh, that window. Come on. Very good. Same for this one. Delete. I'm gonna take you and put you here. Okay, here it's the opposite direction. So we need to take this one. Good. And here we got back to the same direction. So we need to use that window. Good. The opposite direction. Oopsie. This direction. Good. And here we... No, also here we are using the opposite direction. And here it's the opposite. No. First remove that one, and then easier to remove that one. And here we need to remove this direction. Good. And this and this. So first this one. Good. And then this one. Oops, no. This one. Very nice. So at least I have these windows now. But I still need the pixels. Let's see what the ChatGPT gave us. It's stuck now. Stop. Okay, let's try to copy that one. I think I'm gonna create this texture by myself. I'm really got frustrated out of that. I'm really got frustrated and really have no more strength to work with that one. Do you think I'm correct about it? Like, let's look at the facade again. How many different prints I have here? One, two, like, all of them starts from the same and a very slow one. No, it's not like that. You can see a total different pattern here. I see. I think all I did was a mistake about them. Like, I have them also printed here on the glass. I think it's enough for today. I really had enough. Don't want to burn myself down. I think really enough. At least I'm going somewhere with this building. I can start preparing this facade. Let's see what I can prepare on this facade. Let's see. Yeah, this is also going to be a very complicated one. Come on, go back. Looks like we have 60 centimeters here or something like that. So this is how they managed to close this window. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 segments. Okay, 6 segments. And it's 190. 6 segments. It's gonna be easy. Take this one out. Let's do K. Let's see what we're gonna get. So 190 times 3. Here we go. So that's the leftovers, 30 centimeters. To be more precise, This is 180. It's like 1 centimeter less. So in the worst case, it's gonna be 133. Is it 30 centimeters? Let's take a look again. Looks like 40. Looks like a little bit more here. Hard to tell, hard to tell. But let's say I'm gonna make it 189. 189 times 3. And the same problem emerging. 185. 185 times 3. 185 is much more logical, looks much more correct. I can keep it as this one for now. And I need you. 185 times 3, and here we go. This one is done. But I really need to get a better pixels for this texture, and the ChatGPT doesn't want to work with that. So what I need to do now is basically create this pattern by myself. And I think I have an idea. I'm not sure this idea gonna work. Working on the different prints that they have on this facade, on this building. They definitely have different prints on this facade. I just wonder if this is a glass wall or not. Come on, go there, stupid Google Earth. Okay. Can I see through this wall, or I cannot? I must say, it doesn't look like it has opacity in these windows. But it's not a concrete wall here, because you have window here, one window here. The main logic thing to put a concrete wall here is to be part of a structural element like elevators or a staircase. So why they're not opening these two as windows? The only way to know is to take a look at photos from night and see if you can see lights coming through. So this is one thing that I'm not satisfied with, and let's see the opposite direction of this annoying small building. Like I thought it's gonna take 1 hour to model you, but hey, probably I wasn't correct about it. And I have this facade. Come on, put it here. No, this one is an open facade. Well, I can also draw the profiles here. 185. And this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. Okay, no problem. 4 segments here. Okay. Find the midpoint. Take that one. Okay. And move it. 185 times 2. Does it equal to that side? This is 80. It's too much. 45. So maybe it should be 190 times 2. I think this is more correct. Let's say 70. Maybe 95. Let's take a look at the Google Earth. No, they are pretty wide. So 70 is okay. No, 180. It's pretty wide, I think here compared to that side. 185. 185 times 2. That looks correct. 80. Duplicate 185 times 2. So here I have this one. Okay. But I want to recreate them. I think I spent too much time with ChatGPT in about trying to create this pattern that I'm not satisfied with. You know what? Because I already has yeah, I have these profiles, so all I need to do is just create the big square and to simply have fun with that. Like, I think I already start thinking about an idea here. Like, take a look at that. Like, you have the almost full color, one, two, three, and each time it's going and getting further away, like a pixel for each direction. And then I can play up, down, left, right, and do all these things. That's interesting. Very interesting, I think, in my opinion. So, how I'm gonna achieve that? Why they pixelated the facade? Also a good question. Like, I don't like it. Probably they don't like me neither. Look at that. This is the high floor, and then we have the regular floor. The regular floor looks like the topping of the roof. This should be the same height as this one, so we already can estimate what's gonna be the final height of the roof. So first we need to take you. Oh, you're already here. No, you're not already here. Ooh, what just happened? I know, because this floor is a little bit higher, so I need to take you. Only you. Up, 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 above that one. And this is the roofing. This is the rooftop. Come on. Ah, good. Well, we can remove that one. Oh, no, nothing here. So, what the height of the building? 42.5. That was my estimations. Down. 42.5. Brilliant. I'm pretty much there. So, from here, I just need to add another height of this floor, and we're talking about 226. 226. 226. So this is the final height of the building. Good. So for now I can remove that one. Good. Okie dokie. So here we're going somewhere. Except I'm not going anywhere here because I have a total messed up this one. Well, and I did say that I need to go to sleep. So this is not the most perfect variation of this building, but well, at least we can send some previews for the guys today. Not so much. But I'm gonna drop it very soon to you guys. Well, not much. Okay. No, it's not getting like I saw that like the AI ChatGPT can do 80% of the work, but it's not doing it accurately. And if I'm trying to push another 10% up, it's like I'm spending 1 hour trying to explain him what to do, and he still doesn't doing it correctly. And I'm finding myself finding more time with ChatGPT instead of working and finding a more accurate solution. Like I'm not satisfied with what he made because it's simply not aligning with the building and many other things. And yeah, you're right, it's really frustrating me, but I think this is part of the work, like getting frustrated out of that. But it's only the beginning of this object, and I'm pretty sure tomorrow I will be managing to get much further away with this object. I will recreate a new texture for the facade, and also this is pretty far away object, so it shouldn't be that modeled. Like, it should be a good represent. And that's it. And there's lots and lots and lots of our buildings, but I think this is the most complicated because of the texture. The rest of the building, as you can see, they are simply brick buildings. Brick building with some repeating windows. Brick building with, well, this is gonna take me 1 day to create. This is, well, probably more than 1 day because it's a big building. This is 1 day. This is 1 day. I thought this also can be 1 day of work, but the texture is killing me. Well, I think this is something to do with some surprises you find in the model. Also, I've been working at my work on this project when I have time, and also I made some progress. Don't tell my boss about that. That I'm finding time to work on my project. Like this one, even don't need to model it. Nobody gonna see him. Or should I model him? I don't know. Like this is a complex of buildings, and right now, oh no, not you. I finished the ground poly here, and now I have this area. Interesting. Well, at least I know you see these buildings when you're at the airport or approaching because they're pretty massive and high. So it will be nice when you're sitting here in the aircraft and watching on these buildings with the signs on the top, but there shouldn't be that modeled. But I do find myself fighting over this building. I don't know why, but well, never mind. Okay, this was enough, I think. Enough is enough is enough, and tomorrow is a new day. So thank you for watching, and I'm just dropping a daily update. And yeah, Merry Christmas, I think, today, right? Hmm. Hmm. Now it's called, this area called, let's see, I have the folder here. Uh, Flight form. This is the area on the flight form area. And too bad I closed that one. Okie dokie. So that's it. Let's see what you're saying there. Oh, well, Merry Christmas. Have a good night. Hope you will get good presents tomorrow morning. And see you probably tomorrow if I won't have any clients. I hope that I won't have clients because I get too many of them in the past week. And that's why I'm trying to work on this project from work. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.